Hello everybody, I'm here with what's going to be a two-part haul because the first part of this haul I bought today and I'm going to like wrap up and give to people as gifts. And the second part of the haul will come in a couple of days. I mean, for you it'll all be the same video, but I'm going to film on a different day because that's when I'm going to get the rest of it in the mail. But this is a journaling and pen haul. So what I'm showing you today, first off, are these notebooks that I got from HomeGoods. So I've seen these notebooks at HomeGoods. Oh, come on, focus. Yeah, I've seen these notebooks at HomeGoods a couple of times now. Like, this seems to be something that they frequently have. And they're these, whatever that, Biafe or whatever, they're these handmade in Italy notebooks. And apparently a set of 3 would normally be $10, but I got this for $5.99. So I'll open this up. Whoops. And inside it's tied with this nice little string. These are, apparently they are leather. And there's this little card that says handmade in Italy. On the back, I guess we have an address of the people who made it. And then there's this cute little tag that says this product has been traditionally crafted and any defect should be considered part of its artisan nature. I just find that lovely. So yeah, it's these 3 green notebooks. It's got this little logo of a bird with books. And they have these red edges. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that string because I tried opening it a little bit ago and I couldn't get it, so we had to cut it. So inside we have these 3 notebooks, the red edges. There's a multiplication table at the back, that's unexpected. And inside you just have this beautiful paper. Oh, it's an exercise book apparently. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. And yeah, so if it's that handmade detail, you're probably, I'm going to put it where you can see it, each of the pages has this different edging from where they've been painted. And yeah, it's that kind of artisan defect. It's part of its charm. And it looks like they're all going to be the same. Yes, that's right. Okay, and they all have the little logo on the back, and I just think these are lovely, and I'm very pleased with them. Did I make up that they were leather? I might have made up that they were leather. There are other leather notebooks that are Italian that they sell at HomeGoods, so that may not actually be leather. But it's this very nice leather-looking paper, to be sure. Yeah, you hear that? Pretty sure it's paper. But anyway, these are really nice. And then with them, I got these pens, which I've never seen before. Of course, I also haven't looked for them. But these are Pilot Precise V5 Premium Rolling Ball pens. So it's a precise clean line, smooth and long writing, extra fine 0.5 millimeters black ink. And I like that these were the Deco collection because what I'm doing here is I am getting Christmas gifts for a couple of girls in my writing group. And so I thought, oh, a notebook and some pens, that's going to be a good present. And each of them is only getting one thing. So there I'm, one of each. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, before a helicopter flew over, are you done? Okay, it's done. A helicopter just flew over, but before that, I was just saying that each person is going to get a notebook and a pen, and I'm going to like wrap them up all cute. But what I do want to do is try this pen out before I give it away, just because I'm fascinated. I can't convince it to focus on the tip. The tip is so thin, but let me just see what it's like. Oh, ho, ho, ho. I like that. That's amazing. I really like this tiny, like, needle tip. You're never going to be able to see it. But I really like that. I might have to buy, I'm going to have to buy these for myself. And yeah, it's not a gel, but, or maybe, but it kind of feels like it is it? unique liquid ink formula is what it says it is, and I kind of see that. I see what the unique liquid ink formula is. I'm writing on these random sticky notes from Target, and you can see on the back there's a little bit of show through, but yeah, I'm real excited about those. So I'm going to package these up and give them to my friends. Of course, I'm keeping one of those for myself, and I'll be back to you in like a couple of seconds for you, but for me in a couple of days with some more notebooks. So here's part 2, which for you is in the same video. Again, I don't know why I'm telling you this. I guess I just think it's interesting. Anyway, it's a strange morning here in Texas. We're expecting some weather. I got up early and went to buy shoes. This job interview life is a strange life. Anyway, so yesterday I got my package from Muji. It has this nice, apparently it's fragile. Even though I know it's 2 notebooks, like that's not very fragile, but that's kind of them. So I'm excited to see what I got. Let's see. Aha. Okay. Here's the thing, I've never ordered anything from Muji themselves, so I'm like fascinated by how carefully this is packed. Lots of air, and here we are. Alrighty. Okay, so this notebook is smaller than I thought it would be, and this one. Okay, cool. I'm gonna move this out of the way. All right, so this is my little Muji haul. So first off, I have this notebook with the PVC cover, and let's see. So yeah, it's listed. It was $5.50 for me because I do live in the U.S. And it has these frosted covers, as you can see. Though this end paper is actually very nice. So it's like very heavy and sturdy. And then, oh wow, I love Muji. I'd forgotten how nice their stationery is, but these pages feel so smooth. Oh my gosh, and it's dot grid, and I think this is lovely. I'm very happy. I've wanted one of these notebooks for a while, and I waited to order it because I was always like, oh, I don't need it. But then on Cyber Monday, they had free shipping, and often shipping is what has deterred me from ordering from Muji. So I just went for it, and this is very nice. I'm very pleased. And the other notebook, let's see, which way is up? They've put their sticker here, so I assumed that they would open it this way. So we do have a ribbon marker, and this, let's see. So first I'll just say that the outer cover, this is kind of some cardstock. I mean, it is cardstock, but it is not extremely sturdy. It's really pretty soft, and it also is literally soft. Like, this feels like the other Muji paper. It feels so nice. And then the paper on the inside, again, feels really nice. Man, this is beautiful. And it looks like it's not quite going to lay flat. But let me look at the invoice real quick and tell you what this is. So this is called the Recycled Paper Pocket Tankobon Notebook. And the size, I suppose, is standard Tankobon size, which I think... I'm not quite sure what that means. I know that Bunkobon has something to do with the size that kind of mass market books and usually manga are printed in Japan. And I'm not quite sure why is it pocket? Why is it a pocket notebook? Is there a pocket? I don't see a pocket. I think, oh, maybe pocket sized. That's probably what we mean. Anyway, so that is this notebook. Like I said, it's got this ribbon marker. It's a little red marker, and just overall, this is beautiful. I will say it looks like the edges are a little bent, if you can see. Yeah, this one's a little askew, but that's very nice. And this on the website was just called the PP Cover Double Ring Notebook A5 Dot. PP meaning this kind of plastic. And the reason I wanted this kind of plastic is it just feels incredibly sturdy. And I actually have a really cheap planner that I used once that I didn't like so much as a planner, but it had a cover like this and it was like freaking indestructible. And so I thought that will make for a really good notebook for just carrying around. And gosh, I cannot wait to use these as journals. So yeah, that is my, maybe I should turn this over so you can see the sticker. Yes, that's aesthetic. Anyway, so this is the second half of my haul, and this is my Muji haul. Bye, y'all.